Hello and welcome to episode 161 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to be showing you how to go through an A major scale using the open root, the open A string underneath it, which will help you gain some finger independence, and it's a cool sound to explore the sound of the A major scale. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and play it first. So I'm just keeping the A root going, at first on the fretted A, and then open after that. So very slowly now. So I'm going unison, that's the 5th fret of the E string, open A string, the first 2 strings, and then I'm going to alternate every other string. I'll play the root. Now open D for that next, that 4th note, and then the open A string. You can go all the way down again, doing the same thing. Ending on the unison A. This will really help you get accustomed to the sound of each note of the major scale. And again, being a good exercise for finger independence, using your thumb in between on the root note, alternating with the scale tones. So I hope it's useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions, and thanks for watching.